We are going to make a 1-minute microwave brownie in an empty mug. First, we are adding 4 tablespoons of flour. Now, add 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Add a small pinch of salt and a little baking powder. Mix all the dry ingredients well. Now, add 3 tablespoons of milk. Add 3 tablespoons of oil or melted butter. Mix everything until you get a smooth chocolate batter. Add some chocolate chips for extra flavor. Microwave it for 1 minute. Our soft and delicious brownie is ready. Enjoy your quick and easy 1-minute brownie.